Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed decisions about the beauty products that deserve a place in your routine. Today, we're taking a close look at a dynamic duo that promises to repair and strengthen your hair while also preventing breakage: the Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This set is designed to be a game changer for anyone looking to restore damaged strands, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's break down what you're getting with these products. The Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner are both formulated with a focus on bond-building technology. Their goal is simple: to repair hair, prevent future damage, and strengthen from within. These products are free from silicones and sulfates, making them ideal for those with more sensitive hair or anyone who wants to avoid harsh chemicals in their routine. In terms of ingredients, these products harness plant-powered technology, which Aveda is well known for. The shampoo helps cleanse the scalp and detangle hair without stripping moisture, while the conditioner works to deeply hydrate and restore damaged hair, leaving it feeling soft and nourished. The standout feature here is the Bond Building Complex, which claims to repair broken bonds within your hair to strengthen it from the inside out. I've been using this set for a few weeks now, and I've noticed some real changes in the texture and strength of my hair. The shampoo lathers nicely, but it doesn't foam up as much as traditional shampoos due to the absence of sulfates. I didn't mind this, as it still did an excellent job of cleansing without leaving my hair feeling stripped. It also has a gentle, natural scent that isn't overpowering, which I loved. The conditioner, on the other hand, is incredibly creamy. I applied it after shampooing and could feel an immediate difference. My hair felt smoother, and combing through it was so much easier. I've been using this set both in the morning and evening, and it's held up well with consistent use. My hair has become noticeably softer with less breakage, especially at the ends where I usually experience the most damage. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, both the shampoo and conditioner are gentle but effective, especially when it comes to detangling and adding moisture back into my hair. I also appreciate the clean, natural ingredients. Aveda's commitment to plant-based formulations is always a win in my book. I've noticed a real reduction in breakage, which is exactly what I was hoping for. My hair looks healthier, and it feels stronger after each use. On the flip side, the price point might be a little high for some. This set is on the pricier side, especially if you're used to drugstore options. However, if you're someone with very damaged or fragile hair, you may find that the investment is worthwhile, given the results it delivers. In terms of value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for in a shampoo and conditioner. If you need a product that is both gentle and effective for repairing hair, the price is justified. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are other alternatives on the market that may suit your needs without the premium cost. Now, if we're talking about alternatives, there are a few brands like Olaplex or Briogeo that offer similar bond-building technology at comparable prices. These may offer a more budget-friendly option if you're looking to repair your hair without breaking the bank. As for build quality and longevity, the packaging of the Aveda products is standard but sleek. The bottles are sturdy, and the pumps are convenient, allowing you to control the amount of product you use. With consistent use, I can tell that these bottles will last a decent amount of time, so you're getting good value in terms of longevity. If you've ever needed to reach out to Aveda for customer support, they are known for their high level of service. I personally haven't needed to contact them, but the brand's reputation for taking care of customer inquiries is excellent, which can give you peace of mind when purchasing. As we wrap up, would I recommend the Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner Set? Yes, particularly if you have damaged hair that needs repair. These products really work to strengthen and nourish your hair, giving it that healthy bounce and shine. If you're looking for a gentle, plant-powered solution to breakage and damage, this is definitely a product worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, And if you've tried the Aveda Botanical Repair Shampoo and Conditioner, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.